Deep in my heart and soul, and for quite a while, I have had a theory that I am secretly really good at decorating cakes. I've never done it, but every time I see one of those like little cake decorating videos on TikTok, I think to myself, maybe in vain, I could do that shit. That doesn't look that hard. My qualifications are, I think I could, and I took one cake decorating class in 5th grade that was an after-school club, and the teacher was really mean, and she liked to talk to us about how she did cake decorating for years, and now she has permanent hand problems and chronic pain because of squeezing icing bags. So I think that without that kind of burden, I'm gonna be really, really fucking good at this. Serge is gonna sit with us. Serge is making a PowerPoint called
Furbies. A retrospective, a lifestyle, a friend.
Yes. Furbies are my friend too, and Serge is Furby's friend, so really it's a nice little friend group if you think about it. We have a 3-tier chocolate cake because I am foolishly ambitious. We will see how this goes. Now, I'm not going to look anything up unless I get really curious, but one thing I see them do is carve off this little top bit and make it flatter. I don't think I'm going to carve off the whole thing because I have doubts at how flat I can make it. But what I just did felt right.
It looks right.
Yeah, it looks right, it feels right, and that means it is right. Everybody knows that. Okay. Busted, but beautiful.
Unconventionally attractive.
Unconventionally attractive cake. Alright. Layer uno. This is kinda silly, kinda crazy, kinda wacko. I tried. I am trying. I bet it's gonna be beautiful. It's already beautiful because it's tasty and delicious, and you are not better than me for getting paid. This is a game. This is not a contest. This is a little harder than I thought, but I will not be humbled. It is not in my vocabulary. I should have put these in the... Oh, you know what?
What?
I'm just gonna get the icing back. Fuck this. If we fuck this up, we're ruining a birthday. And he'll hate us forever.
So true.
Matt's gonna hate us forever.
Thanks, Matt, for letting us host your birthday.
Thank you. Thanks, Matt. Thank you for letting us abuse your cake this morning.
It's okay, he likes it.
Oh.
The cake, not Matt.
He likes his cake abused. Let's see if this icing tip just falls right out the bottom because I cut it too wide. I have a strong feeling in my heart that's what I've just done.
There is.
There's Furby lore.
There's so much.
Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it.
I won't spoil it, but
fuck yeah! That's crazy. That
let's go.
Works. So.
Oh.
That's what I said was gonna happen.
Oh.
Okay. What we're gonna do about this is we're gonna take it out.
This is ambitious.
Actually, you know what I'm just gonna do?
Just
I'm
use
gonna use
like
the
that.
bag. Okay.
Alrighty.
It's gonna be pretty on the outside. God willing. Yeah. How cute. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
This is
No.
what God intended. Next layer.
You dumbass Will.
You
No.
goose.
Smart ass.
Oh yeah, thanks. You're so nice to me. I don't need you completely flat. I just need you manageable. This is extra moist devil's food cake from Walmart.
It's
What brand is she?
Pillsbury.
Pillsbury, free advertising. We love you, Pillsbury. Only if this goes well, though. You are bad, and we hate you if this doesn't go well. So you better hope
It's Pillsbury icing
that
too.
it goes nicely. Pillsbury icing too, yeah. See, now we're getting it. Now we're getting it. Now, the inside doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you're like on the inside, only on the outside. So this cake is gonna be beautiful on the outside, which means it'll be beautiful all over, just like people.
Exactly like
Yeah,
people.
exactly like people. So, ugly on the inside, doesn't matter. As long as you're hot,
That's all people care
that's
about.
all people care about. That's all you should care about too. Be beautiful, be proper, be prim.
Will incel
Yes, I'm a fucking incel. I'm an alpha male. If you aren't looks maxing, you ain't shit.
Mewing? Are you mewing?
Yes, I mew constantly, you know? Love mewing.
When God.
Literally, this shit is so easy. It's over for you guys. Oh, maybe not right there, though. Every time I speak pridefully of myself, something bad happens. Maybe I need to stop doing that.
Yeah, it's a sin, Will.
Maybe that's karma. Did you
I did that one. I did. I put flour and I put
Pam in there?
oil. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna tap her.
You might have to cut around the edge.
Yeah. Dog.
Oh, dog.
This one doesn't want to come out. This is not good. Okay. This is insane.
The top of it, since it's gonna be a smiley face, can be a little round like
Yep.
that.
Put it right there.
That's good cake too.
This is okay. I'm learning and growing
You are.
through this process. And I have not used any fondant because I'm a good and holy person. For the sake of battery, we will be back when it's time to make this beautiful and not a go. It'll look better. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. We're back. It looks the same, but it's about to look beautiful. It's about to look like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright.
Very nice.
Alright.
Very nice.
Very nice.
寄せてはこちらを向いて春のような微笑み散ってゆく花びらを眺めている手に持った飾り
Damn. I'm pleased with myself.
回り続けるぼんやりと過ぎてゆ
I don't remember how to do this shit. But I promised myself I wouldn't look anything up, that this was all within my body. And I will stand with that. Oh, why is it going down?
Don't goop.
Don't goop. Stop gooping.
Honestly, not looking bad.
It's not looking bad. It's looking amateur, but it's looking passable. I would not pay for this, but I
I'd
would
pay
be
like-
happy with it.
I pay like $10.
Yeah.
花びらが池に落ちた覗き込んだ影揺れた水鏡
Blue.
Time to mix up something.
What is wrong with you?
Why are you?
Why are you blue?
Is he still going?
Wow.
Yeah.
I knew you could do it.
So I could do something. I knew something. Oh, I'm a culinary genius.
好きですあなたが好きですあなたが好きです
Imagine if we tasted this cake and it was just terrible.
That'd be really fucking unfortunate.
好きです
In the style of Roderick Heffley's I'm Sorry Women, I'm sorry cake decorators because what the fuck was that? That was disgusting. What I just made there, that was gross. I wouldn't pay for that. That was amateur, that was novice. It was kind of cute. I'm a little proud of myself, but perhaps with proper tools, I think I have potential. I think the potential is still within me. I just haven't taken it out. I clearly have not taken it out yet. I had like thicker frosting or more time, or I have more time in freezer. So many elements that didn't happen and excuses that I will make as to why that turned out mid at best. Like, I look cummed on, I feel sticky, I feel bad. This is not how it's supposed to go. Maybe this is how it's supposed to go. Hashtag cake bakers. Is this how you feel after you bake a cake? Do you feel sticky and cummed on and a little disappointed in yourself? That's how I feel in a lot of scenarios, if I'm completely honest. But that's how I feel in a lot of scenarios, but we're not going to talk about it. Thanks for your time. I'll probably be back. We might film a little bit more shit. Thank you, Serge, Master Baker. Thank you, me, Master Bader. Bye-bye.